very good day to all my friends present here. As Albert Einstein once said, look deep into the nature and then you will understand everything better. What defines nature? It's the clean air and the beautiful natural environment that forces every human being to be in awe. I envy my grandfather that he woke up by birds chirping, travel hassle-free roads, breathe unpolluted air and ate unadulterated food. Nature suffices all our needs. Artificial commodities were taken from Mother Nature, but are we replacing them? No. Do you know why Kerala is God's own country? Yes, because it's filled with nature. Nature is the most precious gift God to us, but are we treasuring it? No. So well, my friends, save nature, save yourselves. Spoil nature, spoil yourselves. Embrace nature's beauty, embrace happiness. Thank you.